In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off parental controls on Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is you want to close out of Minecraft, then open up any web browser like you normally would. Then go to the search bar and look up Xbox login, then go to the official xbox.com website right over here. Then go ahead and make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account, the Microsoft account where you are encountering this issue on. Afterwards, please go to the top right, press on your profile picture, select on Xbox profile. And then it is going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Go to the top right one more time to select on your profile picture. This time go ahead and select on settings. Go to left menu and select on safety and privacy. Scroll all the way down and select on manage safety, privacy, and message settings. And afterwards, it is going to take you to a screen that looks like this. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and change all of these different settings. So over here, we could change whether you can use video for communication, see or upload community creations and stuff like that. And you can make all of the necessary adjustments over here, such as whether others can follow you and stuff like that, whether you can go ahead and actually play multiplayer as well. So here's where everything can be controlled from. Then you can also select on Xbox and Windows 10 devices online. Then here's where things get really important, where it says you can join multiplayer game. Make sure that is turned on. Same thing with you can add friends and all these other settings that you could take a closer look at. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.